Are you wasting hours on repetitive tasks? What if you could automate them? Today, we're diving into 5 smart ways to automate your daily tasks for maximum productivity. Let's jump in. Supercharge your email management. First up, let's tackle that overflowing inbox. With a tool like Zapier, you can create automations that sort your emails into folders, flag important ones, or even send out automatic responses. No more wasting time manually sifting through endless messages, and you can focus on the emails that really matter. Set it and forget it. Automate your calendar. Next, let's automate your calendar. Using Zapier, you can set up workflows to automatically schedule meetings when you receive requests, block time for deep work, or send reminders. It's the ultimate time saver for busy professionals. Automating calendar management takes the guesswork out of scheduling, so you never double book or miss a meeting again. Effortless social media updates. Social media can be a massive time drain, but with IFTTT, you can automate it. For example, whenever you publish a new blog post, it can automatically be shared across all your social media platforms, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Automate social media posts to keep your audience engaged without spending hours manually posting updates. Automate your file organization. Tired of manually organizing your files? With automation tools, you can set up workflows so that whenever a file is uploaded to Dropbox, it's automatically copied to Google Drive or organized into a specific folder. No manual dragging and dropping required. Automating file management ensures your documents are always backed up and organized without the hassle. Personal productivity boosters. Automate your to-do list. You can link your email to your task management system with automation. For example, when you receive an email with a specific keyword, it can automatically create a task in your preferred tool, such as Trello, Todoist, or Asana, ensuring you never miss a to-do item. Automating your to-do list keeps you organized, focused, and always on top of your tasks. There you have it. 5 easy ways to automate your daily tasks and supercharge your productivity. Whether it's managing your email, scheduling meetings, or posting to social media, automation can save you hours every week. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more productivity hacks.